Let's take one more exercise in SolidWorks and create this model with the help of flex command by applying twisting and bending angle. First, we will create this straight one, then we will twist and bend. Let's see how we will do this. Now see, there are three parts. First part we will model this, then we will twist, apply 180-degree, then we will bend and we will achieve this model. See, let's see. This is in first part 495 millimeter long. Then at center, okay, let's see the side view. This is square. Now see, this is a kind of shape, something like this. 80 radius, corner radius 6. The reference diameter, reference body, outer body diameter, distance 60 by 60. Okay, then we will cut this hexagon shape, 25 millimeter, corner radius 3, and we will use multiple pattern to create this one. In another side, see, in side view the same thing we have to do it. Total 15 number of things are here, 15 number of holes. So let's see how we will do. And one more thing, see, edge radius R2. Okay, this is hexagon radius and this is edge radius. Now let's say front plane sketch. Let me activate here center rectangle. Smart dimension, define 60 millimeter. Right click, exit. Now hold here shift key and select both the edges and apply here equal constraint. See, now let me activate here 3-point arc. Connect from one point, second point and place third point. Smart dimension, define this radius 80. Now choose circular sketch pattern. Now here select center, 364 number of patterns we need. Now entities to pattern, select this curve. Now you will see the preview. See, let's apply sketch fillet 6 millimeter and we have to choose these two edges, not corner. Similarly do all side. Okay, cancel. Now it's not fully defined, so define some dimensions. Fully defined sketch. Okay, now see, this is fully defined sketch. You don't need to apply all the dimensions every time. Now go to feature, apply extruded boss base, and we have to see here selected contour activated because there are more than one profile. So here select center one, leave outside. Keep end condition mid plane so that material flow both side equally and distance 495. See, okay. Now let's define some color. Okay, go to plastic, gloss plastic. Okay, green gloss plastic. Now let me select top plane, sketch, activate polygon and draw at center, origin point. Okay, now select this one, horizontal, keep diameter given 25. It seems fully defined. Now here choose sketch fillet, radius 3 millimeter. Okay, select all 6 edges. See, keep constraint, okay, and cancel. Now we have proper drawing, fully defined sketch. Go to feature, apply extruded cut. I want to cut but in both side because see, this is located at center. In direction change through all both. Look, say yes. See, Now, if we saw in drawing the same hole in both direction and total number of 15. So how we will do this? Let me create one axis. Temporary axis not work. We have to create one permanent axis. Now let's say top plane, delete front plane, right plane. See, two plane axis. Okay. See, one center axis we created. Activate circular pattern. For direction, choose this axis. For pattern, select this. Okay, equal space, angle only 90°. See, two number of patterns. Now see the preview, exactly 90°. Apply. Now from here you can hide permanent axis. See, let's apply fillet, and this is 2 millimeter. Let me select this one edge. Okay, let me choose manually. Select inside also. Inside you have to choose almost 4 edges. See, if you rotate your model, and you will find there are 4 edges inside and outside in both direction. Oh, we done. Okay. Now it's time to make multiple patterns. So go to linear pattern. Now here features, choose extruded cut, circular, fillet, all. Now for direction, choose axis, distance. See, in drawing the gap given 33 millimeter. So here apply 33. 7. Okay, 8. See, now in direction 2, simply choose, either you can repeat the same thing or simply choose symmetric option. Maybe in lower version this is not available. So simply you can repeat this like direction 1 and see how it is moving. Okay. Now it will take little time. Okay, see, this is how we done. Now twisting angle 180, go to insert, feature, and apply here flex. Now select first body, choose twisting, uncheck hard edges, and apply here 180. See, this is going to rotate both faces, this faces 180°. Okay. Oh, look how it looks like after twisting. Now it's time to bend this. Again, go to same insert, features, and activate flex tool, flex command. Now choose first body, then keep here bending. Now here apply angle 360°. Select here, see how this is rolled. Apply yes. Now see, here we done. See, don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Meetings are not perfect, but it's work done. Thanks for watching.